Ain't got no gas in it.
Well, I just brought this. I don't off-road it. I never break down. I get stuck in
I don't know how those Colby valves work.
This works enough just
No, the Colby valves.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we suffered the valve stem damage issue, and we're going to remove the valve stem.
Holy cow. I don't have the strength with that hand. These guys that do this all the time make it look so much easier.
Oh yeah, push the rest in there. Good to go.
You want a hammer?
Colby valve time. So, we blew a valve stem. I knew this day would come. Somebody would knock off a valve stem. All these boulders move. Right now it's slick, wet, nasty, and valve stems get knocked off. We're gonna show you how to install one of these. It's super quick and easy. Trail fix. You're gonna wanna go buy some of these Colby valves. Throw them in your bag, because you never know when you're gonna need them. So, take this. You're gonna wanna seat it. There's a rubber. You're gonna wanna seat that all the way up. Okay, just start turning. And keep turning until it seats completely. Fill it with air and continue your day. Thank goodness you don't have to dig out a spare, do all kinds of crazy things for just a valve stem. There's a lot of other reasons to dig out a spare and do that, but this is not one. They come in all kinds of colors, not just this. Okay, should be able to hit it with some air and check it out. But just a little at first, so I can hear. Okay, so we hit this thing with some air, got it jacked up way higher than we want to do down the trail, but we want to demonstrate that it's holding. There's no leaks. I'm not feeling any air coming around, hardly. Nope, don't feel like nothing. So, go check out Colby Valve. They're a quick trail fix. It's only going to take you a couple minutes to install it and you're back down the road. Back there, Hill?